Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 4, that is basic geometrical concept. Clear, students? Now, today we will discuss some introduction of this chapter. Today I will give what is inside the chapter and what we have to discuss. Clear, student? So now, अब देखिए, this is given basic geometrical concept. Clear? So in this, what we will discuss? So first we will discuss the first thing we will discuss, that is point. Clear, everyone? What is point? You know that this is the simple point, everyone. You know that this is the simple point. So point, what, student? Point, how you will define? If anyone asks you what is point, how you will define point, so you will say कि point defines position. Point define position. Clear, everyone? If anyone asks you कि what is point, you will say point defines position. Clear, everyone? अब जैसे if I mark A, तो this is point A, student. So this is the position of point. This is the position of A. If I mark B like that, this is the position of B. C here. This is the position of C. Yani simply point means point defines position. Clear? It identify where what is the position. Clear, everyone? What is the position of the variable? See, A, B, C are the variable. They are not fixed. You can also write on X, Y, Z. So this point, that point represent the position of X, Y, Z and represent the position of A, B, C. It means, student, the point represent the position. Clear, everyone? So this is about point. This is the first topic. If anyone asks you point, so you will say what? Point define position. Next thing is line. What is line, student? What is line? What is line, student? So line, you know that a line has only length. A line has only length. Okay? It has no what? Can anyone tell me? It has no breadth. It has no breadth or thickness. It has no breadth or thickness. Clear, student? So if anyone asks you the line, so you know that the line has only length. It has no breadth or thickness. For example, this is your simple line. Clear, everyone? This is your simple line. अब see, student, this is length. This is length of 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter. It's depend on the line, but it's not any thickness, not any breadth. Clear? So this is our line. Clear, everyone? So now, line. This is the line. The next thing is, student. Next thing is given in your book. It is given plane. देखिए, next thing is given, student. Next thing is given. We will discuss next thing, student. Next thing what we will discuss. So next, student, we will discuss about plane. Next thing we will discuss about plane. A plane is what, student? Plane is what? So plane, student, plane has length and breadth, but not thickness. It has length and breadth. It has length and breadth. Clear? But not thickness. It has length and breadth, but not thickness. Clear, everyone? Length, breadth it having, but it don't have thickness. It does not have, but not thickness. For example, student. For example, I am taking this is. You know this is what? This rectangle. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Everyone know. If I mark a point K, I mark a point K, so K is what, student? K is a plane which having length, which having breadth, but not thickness. Clear? So if anyone asks you, student, what is the plane, you will say it has length and breadth, but not thickness. For example, you can say you can give like that. Also, you can give like that. There's a point A, C, D. This point represents the position, and ABC is a plane which having length and breadth, but not, student, but not what? Thickness. Clear everyone? So this is about plane. Okay student? Now move to the next thing. We will discuss in this chapter. See, now next topic is, so student, our next topic it is given collinear point. Collinear point. What is collinear point, student? We will discuss collinear point. As the name indicates, it's collinear means 3 are more than 3 points lies on the same plane. What is the meaning of this, student? Just this blackboard is a plane, this whiteboard is a plane. So 3 are more than 3 points lie on the same plane. So let us assume this is a plane, this is simple a plane. Clear everyone? So 3 are more than 3 points lies on the same plane. Like point A, point B, point C, point D. 4 points I am taking. What is definition? 3 are more than 3 points lies on the same plane. So these lie on the same plane, student. See, these lie on the same plane. So they are collinear. Again, you can draw like that. P, Q, R, S. See, this is also lie on the same plane. So student, collinear point means 3 are more than 3 lines, 3 point passes through the lies on the same plane. Clear? 3 are more than 3 point lies in the same plane. See, clear now? These all lies in the same plane. These all lies in the same plane. So they are known as collinear point. Clear everyone? This is about collinear point. Now next topic it is given concurrent. Next topic is given concurrent line. Clear everyone? So concurrent is also same, student. Here we were talking about point, and in this we will talk about lines. So next topic is concurrent lines. Clear everyone? What is the concurrent lines? What is the concurrent lines? So student, concurrent line is also the same concept, but in this we will discuss about line. Concurrent lines. So same, 3 are more than 3 line passes through the same points. 3 are more than 3 line passes through the same point. Clear everyone? Concurrent line, 3 are more than 3 line passes through the same point. For example, this is a point O, like this is the point P. Here I can pass 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. So if anyone say what type of lines they are, so you will say they all are concurrent line. They all are, student, what? Concurrent. You can also give the name MNOP. You can give the name. So they are concurrent line. Why? Because they are passing through the same point. This is P. Collinear done, concurrent done. Now the next topic is that, student, we will discuss one by one. First we will discuss about line. First we will discuss about line. What is the actual definition of line? So I explained. A line has no thickness and no breadth. It has only length. Now we will discuss one by one. If anyone asks you what is the actual thing of line? So line you will discuss what? How you will discuss about line? Or anyone ask you different about line, ray and line segment? So everyone know कि line have no fixed point. यानी line has no end point. For example, student, like here I am drawing. This is your A, this is B. So this is the example of line. What is line? Line has no end point. मतलब if anyone asks you deeply, simply if anyone asks you, they will say कि line has no thickness. It has only length. But anyone asks me deeply the meaning of this, so you will say कि line has no end point. What is the meaning of this? No end point means line has no fixed point. You can increase the length toward B side and you can also increase the length toward A side. Clear everyone? तो you can increase toward B side endlessly, you can increase toward B side endlessly. So this is our line. Clear everyone? The next thing will come line segment. Next thing will come line segment. What is line segment, student? Line segment. Line segment. Line segment, anyone can tell me what is the meaning of line segment? So it has two end point. It has two end point. See, this is the opposite of line. Yani line segment is opposite to the line. In line, it was given it has no end point, but line segment, student, it has two end point. Clear everyone? So it has two end point. How? For example, again, let us assume this is P, this is Q. Now, student, this is the line segment. Here two dots represent the end point of line segment. Yani you cannot increase the length toward P, you cannot increase the length toward Q. Clear everyone? So this is about line segment. Yani line segment has two end points. Anyone ask you, so you will give the answer. Line segment has two end point. We cannot enhance the length towards any direction. The next thing is, student, next very important thing. Next thing is ray. Next thing is ray. What is ray, student? This is little bit different from both. Ray has only one end or fixed point. Ray has only one end point. Clear everyone? What is the meaning of this? Only one end point, or you can also write down only one starting point. This is also correct. Just ray has only one end point. What is the meaning of this? So you can also write down like that. See, this is A and this is B. So see, student, this is end point, this B is end point. Clear? Or also what you can write down, ray has only one starting point. Only one starting point. This is given in book also. Due to this I am writing. It has only one end point. It is also correct. But it has only one starting point. This is also correct. For example, student, same P, Q. So see, P is a starting point. This is fixed, student. Or Q is not fixed. Yani you can enhance the length toward Q, but not towards P, because this is fixed. Clear, student? So here I explain line, ray, line segment. Clear everyone? Line segment, ray. Again I am going to revise. Line has no end point. Line segment having two end point. Ray has only one starting point or only one end point. Both are correct. Clear everyone? Because here see, this is fixed. You cannot increase the length towards Q. But this is not fixed. You can increase the length toward Q. So ray has only one fixed point. Clear everyone? Now, our next topic is, student. Next topic is given. One thing I am going to explain, like parallel lines. Parallel lines. Next topic, parallel lines. See, student. Parallel lines means like this. This is line L. This is line M. So they are parallel. Why? So parallel lines never meets to each other. What is the meaning of this, student? Ki parallel line never meets to each other. If anyone asks you ki what is the meaning of this, so what you will say, student? You will say ki parallel line never meets to each other. If anyone asks you example, so you can see that. See, this is your whiteboard. So like this part and this part. See, this is like that. Okay. So if you will increase the length downward or upward, so they will never meet to each other. Clear? For example, like this is your two lines, parallel lines. If you increase toward this side, and toward this side, and toward this side, so they will never meet to each other. Clear? So they are known as parallel line. Clear everyone? So many examples you will find out around you. Clear? Chaliye. So this is your parallel line done. Now we will move to the next topic. What next topic is given? Next topic is given, student, angle. Next topic is given angle. A N G L. Clear, student? What is the meaning of angle? ना एंगल तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ एंगल? तो एंगल is a figure made up with two rays. Clear everyone? Angle is a figure made up with two rays having same initial point. Having what? Having same initial point. Having same initial point. What is the meaning of this? Angle is a figure made up of two rays having same initial point. Clear everyone? What is the meaning of this? See, I am going to explain. See, this is first ray, this is second ray, okay, or this is common point O. Clear everyone? Up see, here you can mark P, here you can mark Q. So what is angle? Angle POQ. How? What is the definition? Ki angle is a figure made up with two rays. See, this is one ray, this is two ray. First ray, second ray. Okay. Having same initial point. See, initial point is same na. This is start from O, this is start from Q. Clear? And it is also ray because OP, in OP O is fixed, in OQ O is fixed. Clear everyone? So ray having made up of two ray having same what? Same initial point. So this is about angle. Clear? I think this is clear everyone. Now the next thing is that this arm is given and something is given. You will read out because you have to do also some homework. Clear? So angle I clear. Sorry. The next thing is that interior and exterior everyone. Interior means like this point. 1 minute. This R, point R. So the point which lie inside the angle. The point which lie inside the angle known as interior, like S. It is given. So this is outside. This is very easy, student. Interior means the point lies inside. Exterior means the point lies outside. This is known as what? Interior and exterior of the what? Angle. Clear? The next thing is that I am going to explain curve. Next thing I am going to explain curves. What is curves? What is curve? Next thing I am going to explain curve. It is given in book ki curves. First we will discuss curves. So if anyone asks you what is the curve, so curve everyone know ki any diagram, any zigzag diagram like that. Clear? But what is the actual definition, student? So actual definition, जैसे this is pinpoint of your marker, pen or anything. Clear? So if you draw a diagram, from one unit. Let us assume this. I am going to start from this point. Clear? And without stick your pen, without disturbing your pen, disturbing your marker or disturbing your pencil, when you make a diagram. Okay, everyone. Without disturbing your pen or pencil. See, just I am starting from this point. So without disturbing, here I am here. This side draw. Clear? So see, without disturbing, I am drawing a mark. Clear, everyone? Without disturbing, I am drawing a. So student, this is our curve. What is the meaning of this? If anyone asks you, so you will explain ki if I am drawing a figure without lifting my pen, pencil, anything, pen, pencil or marker, so this is known as curve. For example, I am starting from this point, student, without lifting, I am drawing a here. I am drawing this one. So this is our curve. This is known as curve. Achha. This is what? This is open. So this is open. If I close this one, so this is closed. Yani this is open curve, open, or this is closed. This is open curve or this is closed curve. So here I explained the open curve and the closed curve. The diagram which you are making without lifting your pen, pencil or marker, so this is known as curve. Now this is open curve which is open, this is closed curve which is closed. Achha, one thing is that simple. If anyone asks you, simple curve. Now simple curve, student, means they will never cross to each other. It means curve to like that. This is also a curve. Clear? But this is only closed curve. Simple closed. If anyone asks you, simple closed curve, you have to draw simple closed curve. Okay, everyone. Simple closed curve. So simple closed curve, how you will draw, student? this is your simple closed curve, because they are not intersecting to each other. Intersecting means मतलब having same meeting point. Clear? Intersecting means having same meeting point. And if मतलब simple curve we have to drawing, this is the simple closed curve. If simply curve we have to draw, simply curve you have to draw, student. So what you will do? This is also a curve. This is also a curve. Clear? But see, they are intersecting. So if it is given in the question, write on a curve. So any curve you can draw. If it is given simple curve, so simple curve always remember this one, student, कि simple curve will never intersect to each other. Clear everyone? And similarly the closed curve, they are closed curve. Open curve, this is what? This is open curve. Okay everyone? But this is simple open curve, and like this is curve, open curve. Open curve you have to draw, a student. See, open curve. Open curve you have to draw. So open curve to simply, this is our open curve. This is also an open curve. But if it is given simple open curve, it means only simple, they will never intersect to each other. Yani this is a simple closed curve, open curve, but this is not the simple open curve. Why? Because they are intersecting. Clear everyone? This is open closed curve. One thing I am going to explain: intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? It means if two lines meet to each other on a common point. Two lines meet each other on a common point. What is the meaning of this? Like that. Okay? This is what? PQ RS, and this is the common point. Clear everyone? So if two lines meet each other on a common point known as intersecting line. The intersecting means, student, they meet on the same point. The meeting point of the two lines are the same. They are known as intersecting line, which I am discussing on the curve. Clear everyone? Okay. So curve done, open curve, closed curve done. And now the next thing is that polygon. Next thing is that polygon. Clear everyone? Acha, what is the meaning of polygon? Now you know that poly means what, student? What is the actual meaning of poly? Poly means many. Poly means many. So yani three, मतलब a closed figure made up of, देखिए, a closed figure made up of three or more than three line segments. Okay everyone? What is the meaning of polygon, student? A closed figure made up of three or more than three line segment. So they are known as polygon. Okay everyone? This is very simple. Okay. For example, here I can take triangle. See, this is triangle, students. So triangle 1, 2, 3. Three line segment are there. So they are known as what? They are known as polygon. Okay. So triangle is also a polygon, students. Like this is what? This is a rectangle. Okay. So this is a rectangle is also a what? Polygon. Why? They are made up of four lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if anyone asks you what is polygon, so what you will say? A polygon is a closed figure which is made up of three or more than three line segment. Clear everyone? Okay. So this is our polygon. So now next topic is that. Next topic is that, student, it is given side, vertices and diagonal. चलिए. अब side everyone know, side तो I will not explain. Vertices everyone know, vertices like C. This is like A, B, C. So they are vertices, are vertex. Clear everyone? They are vertices, are vertex. Why they are vertices, are vertex? So now, student, if anyone asks you side, do you know that AB in this AB, BC and AC are the sides. Clear everyone? But if anyone asks you about in this figure, what is vertices? Vertices. So here I am going to explain with the example. Same example shown. Vertices means the end point of two sides. End point of two sides. See, AB and BC. What is the end point of AB and BC, student? This is end point or common point. What is the end point of AB and BC? So AB and BC B. So this you can write on B. Okay. Another, what is the end point of these two sides? AB and AC. End point are initial point or common point. So here A. So what is this? A. A is also similarly, student. See, what is the end point of these two sides? This AC and BC. So you can see C. Yani three vertices. Triangle has three vertices. Similarly, if I want to know how many vertices in this one, this diagram, like if you have to tell the vertices of this, how many vertices? So what you will tell? A, B, C, D are the vertices. Sides A, B, B, C, C, D and AD. Clear everyone? Now the next thing is that diagonal. Next thing is that diagonal. Clear everyone? The next thing is that diagonal. What is the diagonal, student? To see, student, diagonal means if this is your diagram, this is the rectangle, this is the rectangle. 1 minute. This is the rectangle, like A, B, C, D. So diagonal means, student, diagonal means a line which join opposite vertex. A line which join two opposite vertices. Okay everyone? See, A is vertices, C is vertices. So when you will join, this will make diagonal. B is vertices, D is vertices. So when you will join B, D, so this is the diagonal. So diagonal, if anyone asks you, so a line which join two opposite vertices. Okay everyone? Clear? So they are the diagonal. Okay. Now the next thing is, student, the next thing is that it is given. So now, student, this is our diagonal. Now the next thing is that one thing is that I am going to explain another important topic. This is quadrilateral. Clear everyone? This is very important topic, quadrilateral. Its name indicates, student, its name indicates that quad means everyone know. Quad means, I think everyone know generally. Quad means 4. It means a closed figure made up of 4 line segments. But remember, student, this is not rectangle, this is not square, this is not rhombus. Clear? All having 4 sides. It is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means here it is not mentioned it is rectangle, square or anything. So you will make quadrilateral like that, as like that. Okay? Here quadrilateral is made up of 4 line segments. You can say A, B, C, D. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 line segment and 2 diagonals. So if anyone asks you what is the quadrilateral, you will say कि made up of 4 line segment. Clear? And it is not a rectangle, not a square. मतलब you will not say this. You know this. कि if anyone asks you is a rectangle is a quadrilateral, so you can say yes, this is the type of quadrilateral. Clear everyone? But if anyone asks you what is the quadrilateral, they will say closed figure made up of 4 line segments. Bas, that's it. This is our quadrilateral. Like this is the diagram of quadrilateral. I am going to make again. This is your quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, made up of 4 what? Line segment. Okay, student, made up of 4 lines and diagonal also. AC one diagonal and one diagonal is BD. Clear everyone? So this is our quadrilateral. So if anyone asks you what is the quadrilateral, you will say कि made up of 4 line segment. Okay everyone? So this is our quadrilateral. Okay everyone? So now in this video we will discuss lots of things, student. Line segment, quadrilateral, polygon, curve, simple closed curve, point, ray, many things we discuss student. Clear? In the next video we'll discuss some other thing. Clear everyone? So tab tak clear all your doubts, and next video we'll discuss the next thing. Thank you students.